Ever looked at your credit report and wondered, is this even real? Or maybe you've been a victim of identity theft and need to get to the bottom of it. Either way, you're probably thinking, I need to talk to Transunion. But how do you actually reach them? It's not as straightforward as you might think. Let's face it, dealing with credit bureaus can feel like navigating a labyrinth. There are phone numbers, websites, and more options than you can shake a stick at. That's why we're here to cut through the confusion and give you a clear roadmap to contacting Transunion. Before we dive in, let's talk about why contacting Transunion might be important. Your credit score is like a financial report card, and it can impact everything from getting a loan to renting an apartment. If there are errors on your report, it could be hurting your score, which could cost you money in the long run. So, how do you get in touch with the people behind those numbers? Well, there are a few ways. The most common is by phone. Transunion has a dedicated customer service line, and we'll give you that number in just a bit. But before you dial, it's important to know what you want to talk about. Having a clear idea of your issue will save you time and frustration. Another option is to contact Transunion online. They have a website where you can send messages, dispute errors, and even freeze your credit. It's a convenient way to handle things, but it might take a little longer to get a response compared to calling. We'll also talk about what to expect when you contact Transunion. They're going to ask you for some personal information to verify your identity, so be prepared for that. And remember, you have rights as a consumer. If you feel like you're not being treated fairly, don't hesitate to escalate the issue. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of contact information, step-by-step guides, and tips for a successful interaction with Transunion. Stay tuned. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.